No matter how bad your knees are right now, as long as you complete this one simple movement, you can relieve more than half of your knee discomfort. Whether your knee hurts on the top, on the bottom, on the inner side, or on the outer side, just do this movement every morning while still in bed, and your legs will feel noticeably lighter and more relaxed. You can tap a free little like for me and share this video with family members so they can also benefit from it. Now listen carefully, because many middle-aged and older friends truly don't understand that the root of leg problems is often not in the legs themselves. Many people always assume their legs are weak, so they keep training their legs over and over, every single day. But after all the training, the legs are still weak, the strength is still not there, and the discomfort still doesn't go away. The real switch is not in the legs, it is in your knees. And why do I say that? Because the knees are an extremely important joint. In daily life, we tend to overlook how much pressure and movement this joint handles. Look closely. Above the knee connects to the thigh. In the middle is the kneecap region, and below connects to the calf. It sits right in the center of the entire lower limb, responsible for transmitting force up and down. Whether it's squatting, standing, walking, going up or down stairs, or simply moving around the house, the knee plays a crucial and irreplaceable role. There's an old saying, when the knee is flexible, lifting your leg is effortless. When the knee is strong, your entire leg feels comfortable. When the knee is healthy, you can walk freely and smoothly. As we slowly get older, with long periods of sitting, and especially a lack of targeted knee training, the knee begins to degenerate step by step. Once the knee starts aging and weakening, if you don't train it back the right way, you will find lifting your leg becomes harder, squatting becomes difficult, and every step feels heavier and more unstable. You might sway left and right when walking, you might limp slightly, and everyday actions like climbing stairs suddenly become tiring and unpleasant. These problems are all classic signs of rapid knee degeneration. So the key question is there a way to strengthen the knees again? Yes, but only if you use the correct method. Many middle-aged and older people go to the park and rotate their knees left 20 times, right 20 times, thinking that this will solve the problem. But let me tell you clearly, this kind of rotation does not improve knee support, does not improve flexibility, and can actually make the knee more uncomfortable. It has no real effect on preventing knee degeneration or strengthening the joint. To truly rebuild strong knees, you must use a widely recognized classic method, the resistance contraction method. That means creating controlled resistance for the muscles surrounding the knee, so the supporting muscle groups can regain strength and stabilize the joint again. Only when the muscles around the knee become stronger can the knee itself become stable and powerful. I've worked in middle-aged and elderly rehabilitation for 7 years, and today, whether you tap the like button or not, I'm going to share this method with you. If you're afraid of forgetting, just like and save this video, or share it with friends who struggle with knee discomfort or difficulty squatting, so they can train alongside you. To train your knees, you just need a multifunctional resistance band. Put your hands into the numbered loops, then secure the center numbers around your foot. Now do this simple movement. Push out, bring it back, steady and controlled. And remember, don't straighten your knee completely. Avoiding hyperextension keeps the joint safe and the movement more effective. With every push, the resistance forces the muscles around your knee to work harder than usual. It wakes up inactive muscles, strengthens the weak areas, and builds real stability from the inside out. You'll feel your thighs, calves, and even your core activating together, helping your legs lift higher and making each step more stable and comfortable. Alternate left and right. Do 100 reps per side, 3 sets every day. After 1 or 2 weeks, you'll feel a clear difference. Lighter knees, smoother walking, and better control. And if you stay consistent for a full month, the improvements will surprise you. If you're unsure where to get the right resistance band, or worried about picking the wrong one, just tap my profile picture. The exact band I'm using is already in my product window, and the manufacturer is running a promotion. Make sure you grab it before the event ends.